Palmer's Green Community Hub online survey. For the Palmer's Green Hub we ran a survey for just over 2 months and we received in that time 644 responses. Of those who responded, 50% said they were interested in the hub and left their emails so we could contact them. As you can see, the top 5 issues that concern people most were the high street with 51% responding, crime with 45% responding, and then health and air pollution, followed by green spaces and urban trees, and then food security. Of the other issues in the survey, then active travel and housing retrofitting were each with 28% of those responding. Mental health and education inclusion were not far behind. The 2 lowest chosen by respondents were social isolation and employment. When we asked people what were the 3 issues of those they chose that concern them most, then the results were similar for the top 5, but with food security now being a greater concern than green spaces. By choosing to ask what 3 issues respondents were most concerned over, then it helped us to get an indication of intensity of feeling. In terms of intensity, then housing and retrofit remained high, but mental health shot up the list and active travel went lower. Employment and social isolation remained in similar places. But even those lower on the list had high numbers of people interested. And although the survey is a good indication of people's concerns, it is not totally representative. It may underestimate certain groups, for example, older people who may not use online surveys. So it is a tool to help us, but only one of many. Of course, the questions we asked may not be the only concerns people have. So we asked those responding what other issues they considered important. We received hundreds of these that we are going through now, but here you can see just a small sample. And in those responses we also got offers to help and become involved. So thank you to all those who took part in our survey, as it resulted in a great response, helped us planning our community hub, and will help us in our future activities in the coming year.